High on side.
Diffuse nicht. Diffuser da.
By Russian close.
Right there, right there, yeah. Let's go, let's go.